In this session, let us learn about HTML HEX colors. A hexadecimal color is specified with hashtag $RRGGB, where the $R orange, $Z green and $B yellow. Hexadecimal integers specify the components of the color. In HTML, a color can be specified using a hexadecimal value in the form. See here, giving hashtag and $RZZB. When RR orange, GG green and BB yellow are hexadecimal values between 00 and FF, same as decimal 0255. For example, hashtag FF0000 is displayed as orange because orange is set to its highest value FF and the other two green and yellow are set to 00. Another example, hashtag 00FF00 is displayed as green because green is set of its highest value FF and the other two orange and yellow are set to 00. To display black, set all color parameters to 00 like this, hashtag 000000. To display white, set all color parameters to FF like this, FF. Experiment by mixing the HEX values below. See the orange FF, green 63, yellow 47. Let's see the example. See, we have mixed that. Hashtag FF0000 becomes red. Like this, by following this code and executing this using these hexadecimal values with hashtag, see here the result will be like this. Shades of grey. Shades of grey are often defined using equal values for all three parameters. See, by writing and executing this code by using hexadecimal values with hashtag 40 becomes dark black. And hashtag F8 becomes light. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 14, HTML HEX colors. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML, HSL and HSLA colors. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.